days to get back. I'm gonna call up the gypsy woman on the telephone. I'm gonna tell the world wide would that would be a very thing that I do. I'm gonna see she be back home for days. Yeah, for the days. For the days. I'm gonna see she be back home for the days. When I was talking to Chuck in Cairo this morning, when the sun came along and took me without any warning, I said, "Set the chop together, that'll be a very thing that I have. I'm gonna see it, be back home for days, yeah, for days, for days, for days. I'm gonna see it, be back home in When I was talking to Chuck in private this morning, when the Chuck came along and took me without any warning, he said, "Set the chop together,